The future of outdoor video displays is here. Introducing the next generation of DVX, the 3220 series. A powerhouse built from the best, with optimized design choices for quicker installations and less power requirements. Flexible pixel spacings. High-performance, outdoor-rated LEDs. A dazzling 8,000 nits of brightness. Pure pixel processing powered by ProLink with color match technology, ultra-smooth motion, and exceptional detail. Weather-resistant hardware that's built to last. And most impressively, unmatched performance and support, guaranteed for up to 10 years. Designed, tested, proven, from the world's leading LED display manufacturer, Daktronics.